Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship products from 1688 to Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com, and from here, we're just going to search for CJ Dropshipping. Then just press enter. And from here, we're just going to install the CJ Dropshipping app. Just click on install. So we're just going to proceed by clicking on install. So from here, you will be prompted to log in to your CJ Dropshipping account. So we're just going to check agree terms and conditions and log in and authorize. From here, just enter in your username or email address and password, or you can also sign in using these platforms. So once you're logged into your CG Dropshipping account in the new tab, just head over to 1688.com, and from here, just look for the item or the product that you want to dropship to Shopify. So say for example, we're going to take this product, just click on this. We're just going to take the URL, going to copy this, then head over to CJ Dropshipping and paste this on the search bar and click on the search button. And from here, we can see a similar product. We're just going to click on this. So from here, we're just going to click on the list button. And the window will then pop up where you can custom edit information about the product you're about to list. So make sure that you fill in the details, especially those with asterisk beside it. Also, make sure that you edit variant pricing, shipping from what country. So, of course, China warehouse. And for the images and videos, choose the media that you want to be displayed and also the description. And once everything is done, just head over and click on list it now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.